So, hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Again, this is Christine Salazar, your sales executive here in Peak Motors sa Abad Santos, Manila branch. So, bagong buwan na guys, meron na naman tayong bagong promong handog sa inyo dito sa Mitsubishi Abad Santos. So, ano pang hinihintay mo? Panoorin mo ang video na to para malaman mo kung ano ba yung unit na i-avail mo. So, tara! So, simulan natin guys dito sa ating 2025 Expander variant. So, kung nakikita nyo, meron tayo dito ng Expander GLS 4x2 automatic and Expander Cross. So, share ko sa inyo kung ano-ano ba yung mga promo, discount, and mga exclusive freebies na pwede nyong makuha kapag nag-avail kayo sa akin. Pero bago ang lahat, syempre, hihingin muna natin kay Joey Boy yung aking phone. Dahil kailangan natin ng kodigo para sa ating mga discounting. So, ayan. Disclaimer lang pala guys. Promo and prices are subject to change without prior notice. Also, it is subject for bank approval. If located ka naman outside Metro Manila, meron din tayong minimal bank out of town charge. Minimal lang naman yung bank out of town charge natin guys. At marami na tayong clients na nag-avails dito sa Mitsubishi Abad Santos mula Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao dahil sa sobrang ganda ng offer at mga freebies na ibinibigay dito sa amin. So tara guys, simulan na natin itong ating video ng 2025 Expander variant. Meron tayong 4 na variant para sa ating Expander. We have the Expander GLX manual transmission, Expander GLX automatic, Expander GLS, and the Expander Cross. So, for the Expander GLX manual transmission, lowest down payment natin would be 32,000 pesos. So, yung monthly niya is nakadepende kung anong bangko yung mag-a-approve sa atin. So, minimal monthly amortization natin for the Expander GLX manual is 21,792. Pero again, disclaimer lang, pwede pa yung tumaas, depende sa bangko na mag-a-approve sa atin. So, for the 32,000, applicable lang siya para sa RCBC, Security Bank, and BDO. For other banks naman, 69,000 yung ating all-in down payment with monthly amortization of 22,421. So, for the Expander GLX automatic, nag-offer tayo for as low as 39,000 all-in down payment for RCBC, BDO, and Security Bank. So, by the way guys, yung first option na babanggitin natin is exclusive offer lang doon sa mga tatlong bangko, which is the RCBC, BDO, and Security Bank. So, monthly amortization niya is 23,017. Next naman is 71,000 all-in down payment. If approve naman tayo sa mga bangkong hindi ko binanggit, then ang monthly niya is 23,681. So, dito naman tayo sa ating 2025 Expander GLS automatic. So, for Quartz White Pearl, may additional tayo na 15,000 sa SRP. Lowest all-in down payment natin is 43,000 and yung monthly niya is 24,812. So, for other bank approval, 77,000 and yung monthly niya is 25,529. So, going back, dito naman tayo sa ating Expander Cross na monotone which is green bronze metallic. Lowest down payment natin for the Expander Cross is 58,000 if approved by RCBC, Security Bank, and BDO. Yung monthly niya is 27,464. And for other banks naman, 99,000 all-in down payment. Ang monthly niya naman is 28,528. So by the way guys, for Expander Cross, let me know na lang kung monotone or two-tone yung i-avail nyo. And kung Quartz White Pearl, additional 15,000 tayo sa SRP. So automatic yung monthly amortization nyo is magbabago. So, kung talagang may budget at 7-seater na pang malakasan naman ang hanap nyo, presenting the 2025 Montero GLX manual transmission. So, by the way guys, extended pa rin tayo dito. Zero down payment, all banks except PS Bank. Ang monthly niya nga pala is 32,460. Ito na ang latest promo naman natin para sa ating 2025 Montero GLS automatic. Alam nyo ba guys na merong bangko na nag-offer ng 53,000 all-in down payment with free 1-month amortization pa? Pero aside from that, meron din tayong bangko na nag-offer ng 95,000 all-in down payment with free 1-month amortization. So, for other details, sa 53,000, message lang kayo sa akin para ma-send ko sa inyo yung quotation. So, for the 95,000 all-in down payment, ang monthly natin is 39,312. So, para naman sa ating 2025 Montero Black Series, we are offering for as low as 180,000 down payment and yung monthly amortization niya is 44,114. So again, disclaimer lang guys, all prices and promo are subject to change without prior notice and subject for bank approval. So dito naman tayo guys sa ating 2025 Mitsubishi X-Force GLS CVT for as low as 29,000 all-in down payment with monthly amortization of 27,893. So, para naman sa ating top-of-the-line variant, ang down payment natin is 197,000, monthly amortization of 32,261. Ito pa guys, dito naman tayo sa ating 2024 Triton variant. So, for the Triton, we have 4 variants. We have the GLX Automatic, GLX Manual, GLS Automatic, and for the Triton Athlete. For the Triton GLX manual transmission, we are offering for as low as 71,000 all-in down payment with monthly amortization of 26,750. And for the Triton GLX Automatic, we are offering for as low as 78,000 all-in down payment with monthly amortization of 28,219. Pero guys, alam nyo ba ang latest? Dahil for the Triton GLS Automatic, we are offering for as low as 69,000 all-in down payment. Plus, aside from that, meron pa tayong free 1-month amortization or pay after 70 days. So, ang monthly niya is 32,381. Para naman sa ating top of the line na Triton Athlete 4x4 Automatic, we are offering for as low as 177,000 with monthly amortization of 39,074. So again guys, pag na-approve po tayo ng BDO, RCBC, and Security Bank, maa-avail po natin yung ating mga low down payment offer. So for other bank approval, iba po yung ating down payment. Syempre guys, hindi mawawala ang Mitsubishi kung wala tayong 2025 L300 FB body with dual aircon. So ang down payment niya is for as low as 25,000 all-in down payment and ang monthly niya naman is 21,106. Aside from that, extended pa rin ang ating pay after 100 days promo para sa ating Mitsubishi L300. Last but not the least, we have here the 2025 Mirage G4 for as low as 0 down payment with free 2 months amortization and yung monthly niya naman is 16,965. So guys, nalaman nyo na kung ano-ano yung mga promo natin para sa ating Mitsubishi units. So pag-usapan naman natin kung ano-ano ba yung mga inclusion ng mga offer na to kapag nag-avail kayo dito sa amin. Number 1, kasama na dyan ang ating 3 years LTO registration. Number 2, 1-year comprehensive insurance, tint, floor matting, EWD, and meron pa tayong pre-PMS Plus card. So free yung labor natin from 1,000 up to 20,000 kilometer. Aside from that, isa pa rin to sa mga kinukonsider ng ating mga buyers. Dito sa Mitsubishi Abad Santos, extended yung warranty natin up to 5 years. So guys, regardless kung anong unit yung i-avail nyo, pwede nyong ma-avail yung ating 5 years extended warranty. So ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? Kung meron kayong mga units or meron kayong for quotations, please feel free to message me sa aking mga contact numbers indicated dito sa screen or pwede nyo rin akong i-message sa aking Facebook Messenger, Christine Salazar Olimba, para mabigyan ko kayo ng final computation or kung meron kayong ina-eye na down payment, monthly amortization na tina-target, just message me para mabigyan ko kayo ng computations, inclusions, and mga exclusive freebies na pwede kong maibigay sa inyo. So again, this is Christine Salazar, your sales consultant here in Peak Motors sa Abad Santos. Bye!